Pride represents to me a collective buy-in, that we're not going to feel shame for not meeting some arbitrary standard. Instead, we're going to feel proud of the things that are important to us, proud of those who we surround ourselves with, and proud of who we are.
Creating an open workspace for all is challenging with so many different cultures, backgrounds, and identities. So Rockwell taking a little time to honor Pride Month is a simple way to pay some respect to the LGBTQ employees that we do have.
I think it's important to celebrate Pride Month at Rockwell for visibility, but also to remind the employees that work here that it is important, it is valued for people to be authentic, to be integral, to bring their whole selves to work.